April is Child Abuse Awareness Month, and a recent federal study shows Indiana has the second highest rate of reported child abuse cases of any state.
WANE 15 Sierra Tubbs spoke with leaders at Fort Wayne Stop Child Abuse and Neglect, SCAN. She joins us now with more. Sierra.
Dirk and Tara, the CEO of SCAN, says even though Indiana has a very high rate of reported cases, that isn't necessarily a bad thing. Billboards across Fort Wayne are bringing awareness to child abuse during the month of April thanks to SCAN.
People are making decisions that are just, how do I stay alive? How do I meet the basic needs of my family? That creates a pressure cooker in the home.
SCAN CEO Dee Sandrowski says that's when bad decisions are made and can lead to child abuse. A study by the Department of Health and Human Services Children's Bureau shows in 2017, Indiana has the second highest rate of child abuse cases. 18.6 children are abused per 1,000 in Indiana.
It's a double-edged sword, so to speak, but if we're reporting it, we can get in and support and treat that quicker. So we're not having children staying in those situations for long periods of time, which creates more trauma, more adverse effects start to happen.
During Child Abuse Awareness Month, SCAN is reminding people of the warning signs of abuse, which goes beyond physical.
Looking for if a child seems more wary than normal, if they're not getting the appropriate food if they seem hungry, or if they seem dirty. Those are some signs to be looking for. And of course, if they have bruises, that's something to pay attention to as well.
The walls of SCAN are lined with handprints of families who have reached out to the nonprofit after realizing they needed help before abuse happened.
Anywhere from helping find childcare, if they have a certain crisis that they need help dealing with, call us and we can help them figure it out before it gets to the point of child abuse.
We have links to SCAN's website plus the number to report child abuse available on our website, WANE.com. Sierra Tufts, WANE 15 News.